Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add PayPal button in Elementor Pro WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Elementor Pro plugin. On left side you see search widget. So right here PayPal. Now you see PayPal button. Now drag and drop. Now you see PayPal button added. On left side you see content, style, advanced, and then you see pricing and payment, and then you see PayPal account. So you can add your PayPal email here, and then you see transaction type, drop down, checkout, donation, subscription. So you can select according to your requirement. So first checkout. So you can add item name like this, and then you can add price $10. So you can change currency according to your requirement. Now USD, then you see quantity, so it's up to you. So you can increase or decrease quantity according to your requirement. And then you see shipping price, if you want you can add it. And then you see tax, drop down, you see percentage, if you want you can add some tax percentage, so it's up to you. And then you see button, so click on it. Now you see buy now tax, alignment, icon position, and then you see additional option. If you want you can redirect after success, so you can add page URL, and then you see open PayPal in new tab, enable this option. And then you see custom messages, now select, so you can add custom message according to your requirement. And then you see sandbox, so this is for testing, sandbox, enable. Now you see sandbox email account. This is the address given to you by the PayPal when you set up sandbox with your developer account. Now scroll up, you see price and payment. So we are doing transaction type checkout in PayPal, so we can add email. So we added email, and then you see style, so click on it. Now you see typography, background type, color scheme, so you can do setting according to your requirement. Scroll down, you see messages. Now you see message typography, error message color, so you can set color scheme according to your requirement. And then go to advanced, so you can add some margin and padding. Now click on update. Now update done. Go to page and refresh the page. Now scroll down, you see buy now button, so click on it. Now you see pay with PayPal, so we added $10. Now back to setting. Now you see content, so click on it. Then you see price 10, now make it 20. And then you see quantity, now make it 2, so total $40. Now click on update. So this is transaction type checkout. Now update done. Go to page and refresh the page. Now scroll down, you see buy now, so click on it. Now you see pay with PayPal, and then you see amount $40. So in this way you can add transaction type checkout PayPal button in Elementor Pro WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.